Hi you guys, so I took a poll on Instagram and 60% of you said you wanted to see me do a perm rod set on my TWA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did just that. Just go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, first things first, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I'm going to go ahead and take small sections of my hair and comb it out, making sure that it is well detangled. And then I'm going to apply my Nairobi Foaming Lotion. Nairobi can be a little bit heavy, so I like to dilute mine with water, just FYI. And I'm going to take an even smaller section, comb it through, making sure that it is smooth as possible. And then go ahead and roll it on my perm rod, just like so. So you definitely want to take your time while putting your hair on the perm rod, just making sure that it is really smooth, because if you had any lumps or frizz or anything like that while you're putting your hair on the rod, it could definitely affect the way your curl looks once it dries and you take it down. So take your time and finesse each section of your hair, and you'll get really great results in the end. All right, we're on the last one. I bought 5 packs of perm rods and there were 12 in a pack, so that's 60, and I ended up using 59 perm rods. So I bought just enough, thank goodness. So this is how my hair looks once I'm done putting all the perm rods in. When I was done with my hair, it was late at night, so I ended up having to sleep with this. So I just put my bonnet on and went to bed for the night. Just FYI, if you sleep in perm rods, they're going to hurt. I didn't sleep very well at all. So the next time I do this style, because there will be a next time, I'm just going to make sure that I do it early in the day, like really early in the morning, so it can air dry all day, because you guys, it was super uncomfortable, but it was well worth it. It was really worth it. So this is the next morning, and I'm just going to go ahead and take out my perm rods, and you want to be really careful. You don't want to, just pull them out and you're just going to cause unnecessary frizz. And you did all that work, you slept uncomfortably. So you definitely don't want to get to this stage and just rush and mess everything up. So just take your time, and so your curls can stay intact. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking once I take all the perm rods out. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and take some oil, put that all over my hands and my fingertips mostly, and pat that all over my hair just to give it another layer of shine and hydration. So go ahead and pat that on. And then now I'm going to go ahead and take each section of curl, and I did about 3 to 5 curls from each section. So once I was done separating my curls, I just went ahead and applied a little bit of gel on my edges and brushed them back, just making sure that they look nice and neat. Now you can just certainly leave your hair alone at this point, but I wanted a bit more volume to my hair, so I just took a pick and just kind of picked at my roots a little bit, making sure that I don't comb through my curls. But I just wanted my hair to be a little bit bigger, and I just picked until I was satisfied. Alright you guys, so this is the end result and I absolutely love it. I think every single time I've done my hair, I say, oh, this is my favorite, but this one hands down is my favorite way to do my hair. My hair is soft, is voluminous. I just love it. I just love the curls, how it looks. I just love it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you learned something from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me in the future. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.